Hi, Bob Francis. I was one of the judges tonight, and I thought the evening was wonderful, and a massive crowd, and a very strong lineup of sports people that performed so well during the year, and were rewarded tonight with some great results.
Lynn Patterson, Mayor of Masterton. What an awesome night it was again for the Wairarapa Maori Sports Awards. I think for me, when I go to prize givings, when I go to sports awards, I just see what a great future the Wairarapa has with all our young people that are coming up. Easy to concentrate on negative, but it's just so wonderful to see all our wonderful young ones with the sports awards here tonight.
Kia ora, Ronald Karaitiana. I'm the chairman of the Wairarapa Sports Awards. It's been a fantastic opportunity to witness the people and the calibre of people that we've had tonight. Certainly the biggest things that we'll take away from this awards is the number of people that are working internationally in their sports, also internationally in some of their sports, and great to see the growth of people coming from our young people right through. Particularly if you looked at the secondary schools area, we had 4 nominations and it was really hard to choose. So congratulations to Whaiora in terms of putting on tonight, and also the committee, also to the judges for their commitment, and of course the delicious discussions that they had trying to pull off the winners, and a big thank you to everyone on the night. So at the beginning we had 82 nominations, which was a record on behalf of the Wairarapa Maori Sports Awards. We also had a high level calibre of people, so ngā mihi kia koutou katoa.
Kia ora everybody, my name's Chopper, the MC for the Māori Sports Awards 2017. Fantastic year, great to see all our nominees, our nominations, very worthwhile nominations across all sorts of different codes. Another year's done and dusted. It's back into sports practices, back into driving our kids to sports trainings and events. It all happens all over again, and it's a great event. See you all next year.